Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the door hinge bushing in this LG refrigerator, you will need a step stool, a 10mm socket with ratchet, a utility knife, and a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a No. 2 Phillips bit. Before attempting any repairs, you should unplug the power to the appliance. Unscrew both Phillips head screws and remove the hinge cover. Use tape to hold doors in place when removing the top hinge brackets. Remove the three 10mm bolts. Pull the bracket up from the studs. Remove the tape from the door and open it. Lift the door off the bottom hinge. Place the fridge door on a flat surface. Using the utility knife, pry out the bushing. Remove the new door hinge bushing from the package. We recommend lubricating new hinge bushings. Insert the new bushing in the door. Place the door onto the bottom pivot hinge and shut the door. Use tape to secure the door. Twist the bracket in position and set in place over the studs. Then secure the 10mm bolts. Snap the hinge cover into place over the hinge bracket and secure with both screws. Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.